Welcome to your own YouTube channel of Skill Institute of Technology. In this video, we are going to learn amazing technology in the field of plastering. Basically, plastering process depend on the opening we are having into my wall or the skill set of the labor we are having or how much fast I want. But in this video, you're going to see the amazing way or advanced technology which you have not seen before. Right? Even at the end of the video, I'm going to compare all the technologies so that you are going to get aware what will be the advantages, disadvantages of the various technique, what will be the approximate cost for the same. So that we are going to see. So watch the video till the end. Basically, we understand plastering is a very important element of our building construction, right? So in this video, whatever the technologies we are going to see, it will look like a magic. It makes your work very simple. We are aware that plastering is not that much of simple activity and it requires a lot of effort and time, but by using this technology it becomes very simple. The first is auto rendering machine. This means you just need to put the button on and the machine will work for you. As soon as you're going to on the machine will be start ascending and start plastering the work, and as per the need you need to feed the motor if required, right? And the machine will completely going to do a work for you as you're able to see in the video, right? So it is a very simple used machine. The only thing is that the machine will be only run on the electricity supply, so you should make sure that in your site there is a continuous supply of the electricity and the machine will do all your work. Within a couple of minutes you're able to see the complete wall, the patch of the wall has been finished in all the respects. If you want to know more about the video, you can see at the end of the screen of the video, you're going to see the another video in which we have discussed the step by step how to install the machine and how exactly the machine works, right? So in this video we are only going to see the different technologies, so I'm not going to discuss in the detail of any of the machine, but you're going to get the idea what are the different machines we are having. So second machine is plaster spray machine. So we are awareing that the first machine which we talk about, that is auto rendering machine, in which that is not able to do the plastering when I'm having more openings in the walls, maybe a door or windows. But this plaster spray machine is very much versatile and the versatile machine. I can use anywhere as per my requirement. If I want to do the plastering of RCC, I just low down the intensity of the plastering as you're able to see right now, right? So you're able to see I have just reduced the intensity of the plastering because I want to make on a RCC part which is already having a finishing. The nozzle on the top of that I can use the same for reducing the intensity. So this machine is very flexible. Anywhere I can use it, may be for an internal wall, it may be for an outer wall. I can easily able to application of the same. The only concern is that this machine available in the version of semi-automatic and the automatic, but the finishing work I need to do the manually or by using any of the other techniques. Plaster spray machine in the automatic version going to do the mortar preparation and even the application of the mortar, but finishing work I need to do separately. So this is also so much of used in India. If you're enjoying the video, please press like button. The next is the mobile wall plastering robot. This is directly the mortar prepared to the application of the wall without human touch. Uses 3D scanner technology to model the room structure and calculate optimal surface of each wall required, and with perfect alignment can reach any part of the room and can automatically change the tools as per the requirement. So this is like a automatic application, make it unique, and the wastage is also very less in this method. So now if you're enjoying the video, kindly subscribe to our channel for more such videos.
Now let's move to the comparison part. But before doing the comparison part, we will try to understand the plastering process so that on the basis of the same, I'm going to compare the various technologies which we have already seen and some of the new technology. If I'm going to say the plastering process, right, I can divide it into basically three parts. The first part is mortar preparation. After doing the mortar preparation, I need to do the application of the prepared mortar on the respective wall, and after that I need to do the finishing work as per the requirement. So all these three processes are the main element of my plastering process. Now let's compare the various equipment and technology to understand the concept in much more depth and to know which kind of equipment I'm going to use in which kind of a project. The first is wall disc sander. Basically it is used for finishing surface. By using the same, you are able to make the work in very speedy way. The only concern which we are having is you need to require a skilled labor for doing the same. You can use for a small scale project of a residential project like a compound wall or an internal wall. You need to make a finishing work because the cost is approximately 4,000 to 10,000. The second technology which we are having is auto rendering machine. This machine used for application of prepared mortar and doing the finishing surface, best suited for the internal wash and save approximately 85% of the time as compared to the manual plastering. This technology or this machine is not going to be work where the openings are more or the columns are very close to each other. The approximate cost for semi-automatic version is 1,25,000 to 2,50,000. If you're going for an automatic version, the cost is going to be more than 2,50,000. The third technology which we are having is plaster spray machine. This is very versatile machine, right? This machine easily able to use for mortar preparation and application of the prepare mortar. It is versatile while doing the indoor, even the external plastering of work. But the only limitation which we are having is after using of this machine also we need to do the finishing manually or by using any of the other technology. I have not quoted any kind of a cost for the same because the cost is going to vary gradually and drastically as compared to the or as depend on the manufacturer. So fourth technology which we are having is mobile wall plastering robot. This technology basically use 3D scan technology, right? It can used for mortar preparation, application of prepared mortar and also doing the finishing of the surface. This technology is the most efficient and produces the least wastage as compared to any of the other technology available till now for the plastering of the work. This technology is very new and hardly some manufacturers of the world produce the same. So right now the cost is very huge, right? So but we can expect that after respective of the some of the years this technology is going to be available at a nominal cost as compared to the other technology. If you learn something new from this video, kindly like or subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video. You can also watch our other advanced technology, and if you're really enjoying the videos, kindly subscribe to our channel so that you can continuously get the videos as soon as we upload the same. Thank you all. See you in the next video.